So look at this statistic. 90% of today's data in the world was created in the last 24 months. 90%. Look at the amount of data that is coming from video. Look at the amount of data that is coming from the world of the interconnected world of sensors and actuators. Look at the amount of data that comes from the aircraft industry that we were discussing this morning. Think about our own enterprises for those of us in large companies. We use video almost every day in our day-to-day lives and work. There are tens of millions of cameras around the world. Just imagine how many hours of video come off those cameras. So how can we as humans interpret and understand and analyze all of this data? I'm going to take you through a couple of industry examples here of where the data is coming from. In the oil and gas industry, this is a petroleum refinery rig, 80,000 sensors here. And over the course of this single reservoir of oil, more than 15 petabytes of data in the lifetime of just this one rig. Retail and social media, this is probably the one that we're most familiar with. But even the statistics are amazing. We were just talking about tweeting with CeBIT Australia. 55 million Facebook updates a day, 500 million tweets. How do you interpret the meaning of what people are saying? How do you interpret the understanding of the information that's included in all of those Twitter tweets? If actually you can interpret that data, how can you drive new insights into that data that will help you transform the way you can use that social media data in your enterprise today? We had some discussion earlier today about the Internet of Things. Well, the Internet of Things is about the connected world. Every single device, all of the devices we have in our pockets, all of the devices that we have in our homes, all of the devices at work, all of the sensors around us in smart buildings. Smart appliances will grow from less than 1% of the market today, think of your washing machines and dishwashers and fridges, to more than half of those appliances, smart, intelligent, connected in 2020. Healthcare. We just had a great presentation on healthcare from the Garvan Institute talking about genomics and genomic medicine. Think about each one of us as individuals. Each one of us will generate over 1 million gigabytes of health-related data in their lifetime, each one of us. Now think about that. That's not just the information when you go to see your physician. That's all of the health-related data. Some of us may be wearing Fitbits that are monitoring our personal health. Some of us may be wearing Apple Watches that enable us to monitor our personal health. Health and wellness applications are exploding. The amount of data each one of us generates, that's equivalent to about 300 million books per person.